To redo it over here, we're looking at another exam question. So a 1 year forward contract is issued on the 1st of April 03 with a share price of 600 pence at that date. So let's look at that. This is the 1st of April 03. We're starting with 600 pence. And it says that we're going to be getting a dividend of 30 pence per share expected on the 30th of September 03 or the 1st of October. So that's in 6 months' time. So I'll just note that, 30th of the 9th, we get 30. And then again on the 31st of March 04, which so happens to be 12 months later. So that's our full year. And I guess over here it says that the 6-month and 12-month spot risk-free interest rates of 4% and 4.5% per annum effective respectively at that start date that we had. So between the 6 months we're just going to use our 4% per annum, and then for the full year we're going to use our 4.5% per annum. And wants to know what is the forward price at issue, assuming that there's no arbitrage. Okay, so here's our forward price, and that's what we were calculating at this date. So what is that going to be? So that's going to be K. We're going to be discounting it back, so that'll be V to the 1, and in this case V is using 4.5, so we'll keep that in mind. And that's going to be equal to 600 minus, let's get rid of 30 being discounted back once. Let's just use 2%. I'm using 2% because it says it's 4% for the full year, and so for half a year it's just going to be 2%, and then again minus 30 over here, and we're discounting back just 1 year, but that's going to be at the 4.5% for this one. Okay, and so now we can very easily find K just by using our calculator or Excel in this case. So over here I already did it just to make sure I could. So we're starting with 600, and then we're going to be getting rid of 30 times, actually let's not do times, let's just say divided by 1.02 because we're just doing it one time. And then we have again minus 30, and we're going to discount it at 4.5%, so 1.045. So 30 divided by that. And so this will give us the present value over here of the forward contract. And now we're just going to be accumulating it over the full year. So that times 1.045 gives us 566.26, but this is in pence, so 566 pence, or £5.66. So and there we go, that's the answer, and ask questions if you have any.